Tired of manually transferring data between your spreadsheets and messaging platforms? Well, get ready to bridge the gap. In this video, we'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to Aisensy, unlocking a world of automated workflows and personalized messaging. First, make sure you have a Google Sheet set up with the data you want to use in Aisensy. This data could be customer information, appointment reminders, or even personalized message content. Now, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Integrations section. This is usually found in the Settings or Configurations menu. Look for the Google Sheets integration option and click on Connect or Activate. You'll be prompted to authorize Aisensy to access your Google account. Choose the account associated with your Google Sheet. Google will then display a permission request screen. Review these permissions carefully, ensuring they align with your understanding of how Aisensy will use your data, and then click Allow. Next, you'll need to map the columns from your Google Sheet to the corresponding fields in Aisensy. This tells Aisensy where to find the phone number, message content, or any other relevant data. Once the mapping is complete, you can start using your Google Sheet data in Aisensy campaigns and automations. Imagine sending personalized messages at scale, all powered by your spreadsheet. Think appointment reminders, order updates, or even personalized welcome messages. The possibilities are endless. By connecting Google Sheets to Aisensy, you're streamlining your communication and boosting efficiency. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to Aisensy. Now go forth and automate.